CES 2025 showcased a lineup of robot vacuums that bring thoughtful, practical updates to home cleaning. With features like advanced navigation, spill detection, and modular designs, these devices tackle everyday challenges in smarter ways. Whether it's cleaning under low furniture, managing liquid messes, or handling multiple tasks, this year's models focus on making life a little easier. Each one has its own unique approach to solving common cleaning problems. Let's take a closer look at what they bring to the table. Roborock took a bold step forward with the Saros Z70, introducing Omni grip technology, a 5-axis robotic arm capable of lifting objects up to 300 grams. This feature is perfect for households with clutter, as it can remove obstacles like toys, socks, or even small household items, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning. Beyond its robotic arm, the Z70 features 22,000 Pascal hyperforce suction power, advanced sensors, and a slim 7.98 centimeter profile, enabling it to clean under furniture and in tight spaces. The integration of precision sensors, an RGB camera, and an LED light makes it a standout in obstacle management. Whether it's carpets or hard floors, the Z70 combines powerful cleaning with innovative automation. The Saros 10 and Saros 10R build on Roborock's reputation for efficiency. The RetractSense LiDAR system allows the Saros 10 to lower its height to 7.98 centimeters for cleaning under low-clearance furniture. Even with its reduced height, it retains accurate mapping capabilities, thanks to a wide-angled LiDAR window. The Saros 10R integrates StarSight 2.0 navigation with VertiBeam technology, providing detailed 3D spatial mapping and advanced obstacle avoidance. It also pairs with the multifunctional Dock 4.0, which offers 80 degrees Celsius hot water mop washing, self-emptying, and energy-efficient off-peak charging. Both models bring back the Duo Divide brush system and Roborock's AdaptiLift chassis, which handles thresholds up to 4 centimeters and cleans high-pile carpets with ease. With suction power up to 22,000 Pascal in the Saros 10 and 19,000 Pascal in the Saros 10R, these models offer versatility and practicality. Alright, we just saw some cool gadgets that are now quite popular, but that wasn't always the case. A lot of marketing had to be done for them to garner such a fan base. So if you are a business owner and want to increase your sales and drive more traffic to your sites, you should check out today's sponsor, TikTok for Business. It is a global platform designed to help brands like yours become creative storytellers and meaningfully engage with millions of TikTok users. Whether you're looking to attract customers, drive sales, or boost conversions, TikTok's unique ad solutions can get you there. From small businesses to large agencies, TikTok for Business has the tools to help you grow. With TikTok for Business, you can launch your first campaign in just 3 easy steps. First, answer a few questions, and TikTok will create a personalized marketing plan just for you. Then, craft your content using an easy-to-use template or upload existing creative. Finally, run your campaign and watch your business reach new heights with the most engaged audience online. So why are you waiting? Find the link in the description box and launch your first TikTok campaign today. Eureka entered the premium robot vacuum market with the J15 Max Ultra, introducing IntelliView AI 2.0. This technology can detect and adapt to transparent liquid spills using an infrared vision system and a full HD sensor. By automatically switching to mopping mode, it prevents liquids from entering the dustbin, a first in robot vacuums. The J15 Max Ultra features 22,000 Pascal suction power, sweep extend, and scrub extend for edge cleaning, and a self-cleaning base station capable of handling maintenance for up to 75 days. At $1,299, it balances innovative features with reliable performance. The Eufy 3-in-1 E20 redefines flexibility in cleaning. Its Flexi-1 detachable design allows it to function as a robot vacuum, cordless stick vacuum, and handheld vacuum, adapting to various cleaning tasks. In handheld mode, it delivers up to 30,000 Pascal suction power, making it effective for deep cleaning furniture and stairs. In robot mode, it provides 8,000 Pascal suction for everyday cleaning. The anti-tangle brush and millimeter-level triple laser technology ensure it navigates efficiently, even in pet-friendly homes. Starting at $549.99, it's an excellent choice for users seeking multifunctional cleaning. Ecovacs expanded its lineup with the Deebot X8 Pro Omni, focusing on advanced mopping capabilities. Its Osmo roller mop applies 4,000 pascal of pressure, rotating at 200 RPM to handle stubborn stains effectively. The 18,000 pascal suction power, TrueEdge 2.0, and Ivy 3D 3.0 navigation enhance edge cleaning and obstacle avoidance. With its Omni station automating mop washing, self-emptying, and drying, the X8 Pro Omni offers convenience at $1,399.99. For households with diverse cleaning needs, this model provides a well-rounded solution. The Dreame X50 Ultra introduces Pro Leap technology, allowing it to climb thresholds up to 6 centimeters, making it ideal for homes with uneven surfaces. Its VersaLift LiDAR retracts to clean under low-clearance furniture, while its AI system identifies and avoids up to 200 obstacles. With a powerful motor, oscillating mop pads, and a self-cleaning dock, the X50 Ultra offers comprehensive cleaning for $1,699.99. If you need a vacuum that handles challenges with ease, this one stands out. SwitchBot K20 Plus Pro and S20 Pro. SwitchBot brought a unique approach with its K20 Plus Pro multitasking robot, which can attach devices like an air purifier or security camera through its Fusion platform. It also functions as a mini vacuum with twin-flow suction and a cordless combo kit for above-floor cleaning. The S20 Pro focuses on cleaning, offering 15,000 pascal suction, extendable brushes, and seamless integration with the SwitchBot ecosystem. Both models emphasize multitasking, making them ideal for users looking for more than just floor cleaning. Narwhal showcased its Flow series, featuring a rolling pad mopping system and continuous freshwater application. Its dual RGB cameras and AI-driven obstacle recognition improve navigation, while the 8-in-1 multifunction base automates maintenance tasks like mop washing and drying. The updated Frio Z10 introduces AI-driven hot water mop washing, while the budget-friendly Frio Pro offers hybrid cleaning. Scheduled for release in mid-2025, these models cater to a range of preferences. That's the roundup of the most exciting robot vacuums unveiled at CES 2025. Which of these models would fit your home best? Let us know in the comments below.